China #1 mold company. This is also bucket mold. So this is the lunch box. The lunch.
那个是日本的，日本。
This is mold for Japan. This is mold for Japan. This is their a lunch box. This is also lunch box mold. This is the cup mold. It's a very good company and to high technology. Oh, this is your bucket mold. This is your bucket mold. So high technology. This is the bucket. Yes. This is the hot runner mold, cup mold. This also IML labeling. This is for yogurt the bucket. Also this. This is also IML. Yeah. So now I come this. Hello brother. Now look, I am coming here the mold company. This is also IML system. This is the also IML labeling. First the label, then the this also same. This also same, and this also same. Oh, yes, this also.